Kasorka Jylla Meghalaya haka artarik ujilio arja arpwe kala pintikana bonu variant bathamai jong coronavirus yobala lapning kong hakari India yobla tip kerteng menta kum udelta lalabru haki babon ki bapang COVID-19 haka Jylla Meghalaya. Habai kram bigla pathai khobor ba AL hek menteri katana ka khoi kya ulai thu bakat kum ka kai phot balayo now principal secretary jo katana ka kya long bonu variant ulong ubakham khlan bat ubakham ma
Principal Secretary. It is found in Meghalaya and many numbers here also in RiKhasi. So the variant is very, very strong and it is more dangerous than the
present.
Ubahek ulai thuru bakatala ka koi ka kya kanshimi ki jing ai jingmut bala ai na kalyang persha kata na kaseng Congress.
Initiative taken by the opposition leader, Dr. Mukul Sama. I've seen he's been touring the whole Jylla Hills, RiKhasi Hills today. And this is what we also needed and required to work together as the public representative, as the leader of the states. I really appreciate, and we are taking the decision given by the leader of the opposition. And definitely will not concentrating only in the urban area. I got also the call, just now only I got the call from the Nongspu village. They are saying there also the spike of COVID taking place in the rural areas also. So suggestion given by the honorable leader of the opposition, I welcome. And we will be there working together to ensure that the minimize the fatality and minimize also the spread of this COVID in our states.